Welcome back, welcome back. Check this out. This is the Freego DK200, and what a lovely looking bike it is too. So this is a motorcycle inspired 20-inch fat bike from a company called Freego. So it's a single speed, it's got a nice punchy motor there, it's got a 20 amp hour 48 volt battery, really nice motorcycle inspired seat. And one thing I really like about this is these handlebars, which are like BMX inspired. I actually put these handlebars on another folding bike, very, very similar sort of setup, to make it more, I don't know, tough looking, I suppose. So we've got cable brake on the front, hydraulic brake on the back, which is unusual for these bikes. Normally they're nearly always cable brakes. Nice chunky front fork suspension. There's no rear suspension on this, but you know, generally these things are designed for the road, so you don't really need it, because the fat tyres really do help a lot with the bumps. I love this rear light. That is also a brake light as well. Right, let's give it a test then. I think Steve's on his way up at the moment as well. Said he's got a bike to test. Oh, look who it is. What, is that the same bike?
Are you having a laugh at me?
No way! It is actually the same bike.
Are you serious?
Oh well, we'll have to see who's faster.
Obviously this is going to be faster because I've embellished it with a 1 horsepower sticker. Have you deep restricted yours?
No, mine only does 15.5 mile an hour.
I don't know if I believe you.
So it's a comfortable bike. It feels pretty nice. You've got this screen here, which is, you know, obviously not a colour screen or anything like that, but obviously it gives you all the information. It's got like a power gauge here as well. We run in 250 watts modes, 15.5 mile an hour. You are seeing like quite a lot of these bikes now. Oh Jesus, that's not the rear brake. They put the brakes on the other way around. You are seeing quite a lot of these bikes now. These sort of Super 73 inspired bikes, like sort of mini motorbikes. I really like them. I think they've got quite a good. I mean, that was like, I was full on the brakes then. Let's see, side by side.
Start with like a foot gap, what don't you? Your weight will probably be the advantage because we're going downhill. We're probably
my weight.
Yeah, the rolling weight.
What are you saying about my weight?
You know, it's probably what, 10 kilo difference on us.
Yeah, probably
85 and
something
95
like that.
kilos, something like that.
Something like that. So it'd be harder for me to stop. And I'm not confident about his brakes. I think I might need to just.
They're not even bedded, let's face it, the brakes are not even bedded in yet on these bikes.
Yeah, I'm just going to twist that because I was not getting any braking power. And there's a road coming across at the other end of that. So, right, okay then, so, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go.
We probably are not, don't we?
No. Ah! Slight edge. No, he hasn't, he's exactly the same. That's all right though, because you'll have this, probably have the edge now. Yeah, look, he's going to go because of his weight. So it's got plenty of beans. Like, actually, there's not many bikes that can make it up this hill. You know, so this is showing it's got quite a bit of power, and the battery's cold as well. It's been sitting around.
Give me a challenge.
Your next challenge, Mr. King, is the skate park.
Ooh.
I've sent one bike in here.
What, you've dropped in on that?
I've dropped in on that once before, never done it again since.
I'm not even sure of that.
No, I think it'll probably bottom out on it.
Yeah.
But that, unless you take a massive run up.
No, I don't think you need a run up. No, you don't need a run up. You'd have to drop in sideways and make sure you cleared it.
That bit over there, you could probably come round. I don't think there's enough clearance on the bottom of the bike, is there, to... Whoa!
Whoa!
Easy. It's like a velodrome. Whoa, I'm up quite high. Oh, he's having a go now. Yeah, it's that stand I think is going to... No, it has. It's got this clearance. It's got the clearance to do it. Not really what it's...
I'm worried that it's going to grab.
Yeah, I know, same here, yeah. Does it absolutely fine. Beast mode.
Oh, I'm running out of power. It's hard to kind of guess what the throttle's going to do.
It is.
Quite fun though.
We're normally like we have a laugh.
Why is your bike rattling and mine's nice and well built? Where do you have to put the front bike hold on? All 3 bolts in.
Yeah. Hang on, let's see how did we do it?
At all. I can hear yours rattling.
How did we do it? Let's see if there's a difference between how we've done it. So basically I've got my bolt in the middle, the Allen keys in the middle, and the nuts are on the outside. Okay, so your nuts...
I've got my middle washer on the front.
Your nuts are somewhere around there. Yeah, you know, you've got it that way around. Okay, yeah. That probably is... I don't know, actually. That means my mudguard's a little bit further forward, but anyway.
My nuts are tighter, what can I say? Well, good thing. I forgot to say the bell to me. Struggling.
Classic Steve move, this one, isn't it?
Got no brake. God.
I worked out what the rattling was. I hadn't tightened up the two little mud guards securing strap things on. Actually, this bike's quite good because it's got those kind of bits that stop it from rattling, which a lot of bikes haven't got. You just got to remember to tighten up the Allen keys.
Hey,
Professional.
racetrack.
Yeah, there is a racetrack. E-bike football. Right, next challenge is you've got to lose the drone. You've got to get away from the drone.
It barely does 10 miles an hour. You've got like the slowest drone in history.
If we think about tight turns and all that sort of
Is
stuff,
that a drop off of there?
yeah,
You
think
love
so.
it and send it off of it.
Probably. That was sick.
I'm so close to my head on my
I know, it was proper close to you.
following that guy.
Yeah.
And I was going like this. I'm riding like this.